Librosa. What exactly is it?
Librosa is a Python library designed for analyzing and extracting features from music and audio. It provides the building blocks necessary to create music information retrieval systems.
Music information retrieval systems? What do they do?
They analyze audio to understand the content and extract information like tempo, beat, genre, etc. Librosa helps in tasks such as beat tracking, music genre classification, and audio segmentation.
Sounds complex. How do I get started with Librosa?
First, you need to install it using pip. Just run pip install Librosa. After installing, you can import it and start analyzing audio. Do you want to see how to load an audio file?
Yes, please show me.
Alright, here's a basic example.
What's a sampling rate?
Sampling rate, denoted by SR, is the number of samples of audio carried per second, measured in hertz. For example, a CD has a sampling rate of 44.1 kHz.
Got it. Can Librosa show the waveform?
Yes, it can. You can plot the waveform using librosa.display.wavelot.
Neat. What about more complex features like the tempo or beats?
Librosa can extract those too. For tempo and beat frames.
This is exciting. How about extracting features that can be used for machine learning?
One of the most common features used is the melt frequency sepstroke coefficients, MFCCs. Here's how to extract them.
What do these coefficients represent?
MFCCs are a representation of the short-term power spectrum of sound. They are used to capture the timbral aspects of the audio signal.
Is there a way to visualize these coefficients?
Of course, you can use librosa.display.spec how to display a spectrogram or any other kind of feature matrix.
I'm curious, can Librosa handle different audio formats?
Yes, Librosa relies on audio read, which can decode audio files in many formats. However, working with WAV files is often preferred for simplicity.
This has been incredibly helpful. Librosa seems very powerful for audio analysis.
It is indeed. It's a favorite tool among researchers and developers working with audio data.